Hello guys, that's me again. I just want to share this video with you about how to use your cell phone as a remote control. You go on Play Store and download the right application. Let's go ahead and download the application. I have a Roku TV. So just type in Roku remote. It's installing right now, as you can see. You just open your application. Just follow the prompts either on your phone or on your TV. In order to connect the two devices together. Let's go to channels. I have all the channels here in my phone. Home, volume, mute. This is mute. It works. Turn off TV and turn it back on. It's back on. And let's check something. Yeah, it's very important. You need to make sure both devices are connected to the same network, your cell phone and your smart TV. This is for Roku TV. Please subscribe and have a great day.